Hello students and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh and today we are going to do latest appointments important for IBPS RRB GBO. The exam is going to be held very soon. Okay. So let's just start the session. I'll be providing PDF for this lecture on my Telegram channel. So I recommend all of you to check to join my Telegram channel as well. So let's just start the session. So we are live. Give me a minute. Okay. So if there is any doubt, you can always ask your doubts in the super chat. Okay. Chalo. So we have also started the IBPS RRB GBO crash course, and I'll be doing 5 marathon classes. So day-wise classes. On day one, I'll be doing RBI circulars for last 6 months, right? And then on day two, I'll be doing the financial, awareness, all the news related to finance, right? There'll be like 40-50 minutes classes that I'll be doing financial awareness, and then on day three I'll be doing latest acts and the amendments related to various acts, and then on the day four I'll be doing the banking, the static banking, the procedural banking, right? LCs, guarantee. So how I have planned it till now. That's how I have planned the marathon classes that I'm going to do from tomorrow onwards, right? So stay updated. Maybe there will be 2 or 3 classes for RBI circulars. So there will be like 5-6 classes in the marathon sessions. If you have already enrolled for the complete course, the crash course is part of the complete course. So test series, notes, conceptual videos, quizzes, latest financial awareness is part of the course. And link to join is available in the description, or you can install the Bank Exams Today mobile app. We are just charging 1,999 for the entire course. We have subsidized the whole course for you. So let's move on to the appointments related to banking and financial industry in the month of June. That's really important. Okay, that's really important. Nishant Kashyap, Nishant, we are doing the daily classes. Please check the dashboard. I guess today I have done negotiable instruments, and maybe on Friday I did Sarfasi Act. So please check. You can contact me as well. So July 2020, Surya Narayan, new MD of Chola Mandalam General Insurance. That's really important. Any new appointment for in any insurance company or any bank, regulatory organization is very important. So this is important. Surya Narayan, Chola Mandalam GS Insurance, Chairman of IFSCA, Indrajiti Srinivasan, not so important. So MD CEO of Federal Bank, SBI Card, this is very important. Shyam Srinivasan, Ashwini Kumar Tiwari from SBI Card, and Shyam Srinivasan from a Federal Bank. These three are very important. So Krur Vaisya Bank, MD CEO of Ramesh Bodu, very important. And then SBI General Insurance Company, MD CEO PC Kantpal, Chairman of Bajaj Finance, Sanjeev Bajaj, very important. CEO of MD CEO of Indian Overseas Bank, Partha Pratim Sen Gupta, Naveen Tahilani, Tata AIA Life, and Sivaraman, MD CEO of ICRA Limited. If you are going to appear for Bank of India Credit Officer exam or even for PNB, please watch this session. It's also important for you. This is also important for you. Okay. So thank you, Nishan. Nishan, you can just contact me if there is any doubt. My number is given. So for the month of August, Varush Sridhar, CEO of Paytm Money, very important. MD CEO of SBI Card, I guess we have already done that. Ashwini Kumar Tiwari, CEO of HDFC Bank, Shashidhar Jagdishan, again very important. Executive Chairman of Capital Finance Limited, Harsh Kumar Banwala, and Non-Executive Chairman of India Bulls Housing Finance, SS Mundra. So all of them are important. GP Garg, new Executive Director of SEBI, again very important. Ashwini Bhatia, MD of SBI, very important questions. MD CEO of SBI Funds, Vinay M. Tonsi. Okay. So for the September 2020, election commissioner, not that important. So here I would say, yeah, this one is important. Murli Ramakrishnan, MD CEO of South Indian Bank, MD CEO of Punjab and Sindh Bank, S. Krishnan. Ayushman Khurrana, brand ambassador of Bajaj Allianz Life. Very important. If a brand ambassador is appointed for a financial brand, then that's important. Okay, Sameer Kumar Khare, Executive Director of Asian Development Bank, Executive Director of World Bank, Rajesh Khullar, very, very important. All these are very, very important. CEO of Citigroup, Jane Fraser, important again. Then Prime Minister of Japan, sort of important, okay. So Narendra Kumar Tomar, Ministry of Food Processing of India. Anyway, please remember the cabinet ministers. Very, very important for your exam. Okay. So IMF advisor to executive director, not that important. Then, not important. So in this whole lecture, although I just gave you a small list, but that's very important. Latest appointments in the banking sector. Otherwise, you need to, do a research of 2-3 hours. I have done that for you. The latest appointments in the banking sector. It is not available online as of now. I'll be uploading it. Latest appointments in the banking, appointments for all the sectors are available. But please remember appointments related to financial sector. You are now not supposed to remember for other financial sector or anything that can directly impact the financial industry. So general insurance, cards, banks, or let's say the World Bank, or let's say UN, Paytm Money is important, HDFC Bank, PNB Housing Finance, Chola Mandalam, all that. That's SBI, new MD of SBI is very, very important. So these are important points that you need to remember. So list of students who cracked the exam using our study material: Vijay Bank, Bank of Baroda, Bank of Maharashtra, IBPS RRB Scale to 2019. Result was out in 2020. All India topper was from our batch. I'm really, really proud of her. So you can join the crash course. The link to the crash course is available in the description. Or you can install the Bank Exams Today mobile app in your phones and you can just take the course. So that's all for today, students. I hope you like the session today. So where to prepare for computer section? The question of computer, that would be very easy. Basic, I would say, introduction to computers, DBMS, network security, start topology, bus topology. These kind of questions are asked in the exam. Notes are available in the course. Please check. Okay. So that's all for today, students. The crash course available on bankexamstoday.com. Please remember all these names. Very important. Maybe, or I would say at least one question would be there in the exam. मैं बता रहा हूँ एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, एटलीस्ट वन क्वेश्चन इन द एग्जाम फ्रॉम दीज न्यूज, राइट? So up to September I have updated. If there is any update for the month of October, I'll update that in my Telegram channel. Please check the channel. Anyway, I'll teach, I'll tell to my students. Anyway, I'll mail them. So just before the exam, I'll release an errata. Okay? If there is an update for first 15 days, on 15th of October, I'll be releasing the banking digest and my financial awareness capsule, a small capsule for 15 days. I'll be sharing that. Anyway, as I'll be doing 5 marathon classes, okay? So you can join that. Link is available in the description. So like this video and subscribe to the channel. That's very, very important to me. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very, very nice day.